that when one life is taken, it's as if the entire world has been destroyed. This week, 3 worlds were utterly destroyed, and we're feeling the ripple effects of that in our bodies and hearts today and onwards. What is clear is it's okay to be angry and fearful and confused. What is not okay is to turn that anger and that fear outwards. So I've come alongside the Southport Jewish communities to stand in solidarity with my Muslim sisters and brothers at the attack this week. It is simply not okay. It is not what is needed in this moment. They and we all deserve better. There needs to be time to heal and to be in community. We are stronger together.
Concluding words.
Well, thank you very much. On Tuesday night,